In this Python tutorial, we are going to make a program that is going to find out whether a number is even or odd. Now let's make our Python program. I will first give a number to the program that will find out whether the number is even or odd. For that, I will make a variable I, which is equals to 23. It seems to be an odd number. Now let Python to find out as an odd number. Now on the next line, I will make another variable is equals to m. Here I will do some operation like I. Basically what this variable does, it divides the number with 2 and it doesn't give you the exact answer. It gives the remainder actually. So if the remainder would be 0, it means that it is an even number. If the remainder is equals to 1, so it means that it is an odd number. Now let's check it out with the help of conditional expressions. Now if you have not learned conditional expressions, check out here or check out the link in the description. I have given the complete tutorial to the if, else and elif conditional expressions. Anyways, let's start here. I will give here a condition if, which will prompt m to be equals to 0. If in any case m is equals to 0, so it will prompt me as an even number. For it, I will print here and then in brackets I will write here even. Okay. Now for the opposite, I will give here else. It will go towards m is equals to 1. If m is equals to 1, so it will prompt me as an odd number. For that, on the next line, I will print here odd like this. Okay. I hope you understand that. Now let's run to find out the results. And as you can see here, it is printing here odd. That is the right answer. For example, if I write here 20, and as you can see, it is again giving me the right answer, even. Now let's change this program a bit more. Here I will ask the user to print the number and Python will figure it out whether this number is even or odd. I have already made the variable I, and here I will ask him. Because the user's number would be integer, I will type here int, and here in the first bracket I will type here input, and in the inside bracket here I will ask him enter your number. This will help the user to print the number. Now let's check out the results. As I am a user, I will type here 34. Now it is an even number. Let's see, and you can see it is giving you the right answer. Now check it yourself. If you have any problems, you can ask me in the comment section or feel free to contact me. If you like my video, thumbs up down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.